Hi, in this video I want to talk about EON platform and its marketplace. So whenever we want to create a lesson on the EON platform, we have ability to choose from either 3D or 360 content to be a source of our experience. In case that we would like to integrate some of the content that is not available straight away in the library, we can utilize a solution called EON Marketplace, which is the outcome of a collaboration between EON and 3D model providers that allowing us to search the model. For instance, I'll put a solar and find the assets that are free if they are existing, or also find the assets which are called premium assets available on the marketplace. Every user is able to, with their granted permission, to browse, and in some cases when the lead administrator will allocate a person's credit, will be available also to purchase those assets from a marketplace. How to do that is, if you are a lead administrator of an institution, based on the collaboration with the EON sales team, you can gather an access to the marketplace and the credits inside that marketplace. Those credits could be allocated to the specific person by the lead administrator and providing the specific credits to the person for purchasing the assets. When the credit is allocated, the person then creating the lessons is able to find a model, purchase it, and request it from our provider. Then the model will be converted, adapted, and installed or ported into the platform for the user for easy use in the lessons. So for that, the process then will look like searching the model, selecting the model you want. Please make sure that when you're selecting the model that is in your interest, you are also reviewing its structures, elements, information attached here to fulfill your future lesson objectives. And we have an ability to select the purchase assets, in which we can say and that we want to request a multi-mesh format for the asset, and we can continue.